Welcome to Food Safety Videos, where we break down food safety topics easy ways. Today, we're diving into one of the most important systems in the food industry, HACCP. Whether you're new to food safety or just need a refresher, this guide is for you.
Let's start with the basics. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It's a systematic approach used in the food industry to ensure that food stays safe, from the farm all the way to your fork. Instead of waiting for something to go wrong, like discovering contamination after products hit the shelves, HACCP helps identify potential hazards before they become a problem. It's all about prevention, spotting risks early, setting up control points, and monitoring them carefully. HACCP is trusted worldwide by food producers, manufacturers, and even restaurants because it works. In short, HACCP keeps our food safe by being proactive, precise, and preventive. And that's why it's the foundation of modern food safety.
HACCP is built on 7 core principles. These guide the process of making food safe at every step. This is where we identify potential hazards in the food production process, things like bacteria, chemicals, or physical objects. These are the steps where we can control or eliminate a hazard, like cooking, chilling, or metal detection. We set measurable safety limits, like cooking chicken to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or storing milk below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we monitor these steps to make sure they stay within safe limits, checking temperatures, recording times, and keeping logs. If something goes wrong, say, a fridge goes above safe temps, we take immediate action, discard, reprocess, or report. We double-check everything, from equipment calibration to audits, to make sure the HACCP plan is working properly. Finally, we document everything. That way, if an issue comes up, we have a trail of proof. Together, these 7 principles form a powerful safety net. When followed correctly, they protect not only the food, but the people who eat it. HACCP in action, real food safety examples. Now that we know what HACCP is and how it works, let's look at some real-life examples in action. In a chicken processing plant, one critical control point is the cooking step. Chicken must reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill harmful bacteria like salmonella. If the temperature falls short, the batch is held and not shipped out. In a facility that makes bagged salads, a CCP might be the washing step. The greens are rinsed in a sanitizing solution to remove bacteria and dirt. Monitoring includes checking the sanitizer concentration and contact time to make sure it's effective. In dairy plants, pasteurization is a CCP. Milk must be heated to a specific temperature for a set time to destroy pathogens. If there's a system failure, the batch must be discarded or reprocessed. These examples show how HACCP steps are built into everyday food operations, behind the scenes, keeping our food safe from the very start. Whether it's meat, produce, dairy, or ready-to-eat meals, HACCP makes a real difference.
HACCP isn't just a food safety program. It's the foundation of trust between food producers and the people they serve. It helps us prevent foodborne illnesses, meet strict regulations, and, just as important, pass third-party and regulatory food safety audits. Food safety audits aren't optional. They're critical to staying certified, keeping your license, and doing business with major retailers. And to succeed, everyone in a food manufacturing facility has to be involved in HACCP, not just managers. From the person checking temperatures to the employee labeling ingredients, every role matters. When HACCP is part of the company culture, it creates a safer workplace, better products, and stronger customer confidence. If this video helped you understand the role HACCP plays in food safety and audit readiness, please hit like and subscribe to Food Safety Videos. We'll keep breaking down food safety topics so you can build knowledge, improve compliance, and protect your brand. Thank you for watching.